Hello, lucky viewers. My name is Larry, and this is Opportunity Page, where I share timely information in relation to scholarship, free training, employment, grants, and immigration opportunities. If all the things I've mentioned sounds like the kind of information you've been searching for, do not waste any time. Strike or tap the subscribe button as the case may be. Do the same with the notification bell right beside it for timely updates. Today, I have an important update for you as usual. Let's dive straight into it. New Zealand job part 2. In my first video where I introduced you to CC recruitment, I promised that I'm going to do a sequel, and this is the sequel. This one has to do with another opportunity or another way of finding a job in New Zealand by exploring New Zealand government job portal. We have Canada Job Bank, which I have done a video about when I was talking about how to find a job in Canada. Now I want to introduce you to New Zealand government job portal, the portal where you are going to find a job in New Zealand, where prospective employers in New Zealand have posted different kinds of jobs and which you can explore. Yes, that's what I want to talk about today. But before we begin to talk of navigating this website, I want to show you how to actually get to this website. Okay, so I don't want to leave anything hanging. So what I'm going to do, let's just go to the Google search bar and type New Zealand. No, that's not what we are going to search. Let's type live and work in New Zealand. You can see Google is already suggesting it. Live and work in New Zealand. Yes, so you are going to have a lot of suggestion, but we want to see the one that actually belongs to the New Zealand government. Here is it. www.live-workimmigration.govt.nz. So we are going to click this live and work NZ. But when we click that one, if you just take us to the job portal, then you have to be searching for different sections. But instead of wasting our time trying to navigate, let's just go straight to the section where we are going to find job, and that has to do with this one that is finding and applying for jobs. So let's click that one, and you can see it brought us straight to where we left from. Yeah, exactly. So this is New Zealand job portal. Let's even see what we have here. If you're thinking of coming to New Zealand to work for a year or maybe even to settle, you will need a work and resident visa. To get that, you are likely to need a job. It is perfectly acceptable and legal to apply for jobs before you get a visa. Employers generally understand the situation, and when you get a job, will help you with your visa application. That means the employer will help you with your visa application. They will help you through the process of applying for visa, give you all the support you need. Just remember, however, you won't be able to start working and earning until your visa is approved. This section has practical information to help you find a job in New Zealand. As you will see, even if you are not yet in the country, there is a lot you can do to get started. You can see I'm bringing you to the best website where you can get a job in New Zealand. This is a website that is set up by the New Zealand government themselves. So let's see. We want to see how to actually get a job. Okay, let's click get a job. Getting job ready. See how a little planner. Okay, getting job ready. Getting job ready. I think that's not the one we job website. Okay, let's click this one. Job websites and recruitment companies. That's the one we want to explore today. Job website and recruitment companies. So yes, here's it. So these are the job websites. It has been compartmentalized into different sections: healthcare jobs, dairy farming job, education job, Crown Research Institute jobs, engineering job. Let's explore healthcare job and see what we got inside. Healthcare job. Let's see what the browser is going to bring. I don't know, the network is kind of slow. What's going on? Okay, I don't know what that one didn't go through. I had to click dairy farm jobs. So when you go through this web portal and read what we have here, you will see how to get a dairy farm job. But this is not actually. Let's go back. I actually want to click. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try engineering jobs. Okay, engineering job. Yeah, so you can see civil engineer senior. So when you click it, click learn more. It will give you details about the job. And this is the person you contact. Contact Mark Parker. Mark P at catobolam.co.nz. So you can just contact that person and make inquiries about the job. Email him and ask him whatever question you want to ask regarding the job. How can I apply? Should I send my CV? And any question, can you? I'm from so country. Can I apply? And then you chat with him and see, But if you feel that you don't want to waste your time, you just want to just shoot your shot, so you just click apply now. But I personally feel you should contact your prospective first before you throw in your application. You can see everything is here. You fill this form. After filling this form, you click select files and you upload your CV. However, it is much more advisable, as I said, to first of all discuss with your prospects, and after discussing discussing with your prospective employer before you decide to apply. It will help you a lot. So when you are done with that person, you go back and look for another one. Okay, which other job is available? We have seen the job that Mark Parker has to offer you. Nice one. You go back, and then so you can do it on your phone or your system. I'm doing this on the phone. So mobile phone. We use mobile phones to do a lot of things now. So Kiwi Rail. Do you want to work in a railway station in So they want a CPAD program planner, whatever that is. If you think you understand what they're talking about, you are into engineering, you know all those stuff. So you apply, you just go on applying, and then you try all of them, and then you go back and apply and all that. So that's for engineering. So if you prefer teaching job or education related to job, you click education, you go through it, you check the prospective employer's contact them, or you just apply straight away, whichever is favorable to you. So that is it about how to apply for a job on New Zealand job portal. If you have found value from this video, you think this video has given you a valuable information, encourage me by tapping the like button. When you do that, it gingers me. You can also make comment. Let me get feedback. Let me understand what you think about this kind of video. And whatever, also you can also tell me what information you also, certain things you're not clear about that you feel has to be clarified, or you want me to make a video about a certain thing. You can make your comment, put your comment down in the comment box. Make your comment. Also, if you have not subscribed, maybe you are still saying, you see what is, don't waste further time. Just go ahead, click or tap the subscribe button as well as the notification beside it, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I post video. I post videos almost every day. I have so much information to share, and I can't hold it. I'm not going to do anything with them. I'll just give it to you guys. So just go ahead and be a part of this family and enjoy the goodies that I have to dish out. Then if you want to do IELTS training, I'm available. If you just want materials, you want to train yourself, I can send you materials. If you want me to train you, I can also do that. So signify your interest. Check the description box. The description box is the arrow that is pointing downward. A half rectangular arrow beside the topic. That's the description box. Click it. It will bring out a drop down menu. Then you read it, then you click more, then you get the full information. You get my contact there for you to do your IELTS training or obtain IELTS past questions. I have past questions of about 15 to 20 years, then you can explore them, and then, you are good, because IELTS now is very important for a lot of things. You want to apply for scholarship, you want to get a job, For New Zealand, this New Zealand job, I'm not sure I don't think that's why you have to call your employer. I don't think IELTS is required, but if you do it, at least you'll be on the safer side. Then if you are, planning towards Canadian, if you are interested in Canada, IELTS is obviously important for, Canadian, for you to get your PR. So that is that one. Then if you need someone to help you process any kind of visa, I am working with a team of immigration experts. So you can contact me. My detail is also in the description box. We'll do a cool job for you, run you through the process and help you to do the processing. You can get in touch with me. Then if you are a type kind of person who don't have time to do all this job search, we have an immigration package for you. Those who want to travel to New Zealand to work, we can help you process your work, secure employment, process your work visa. Of course, it is not going to come cheap, but you will surely get what you want. But if you feel you can, as I've said, if you feel you can do all this process by yourself, you do the process. Then when it's time for you to get your visa, if you need that service, we are ready for you. But if you can do everything by yourself also, no problem. I've given you all the information you need to fly. You can just go ahead. That is that. Then we have this WhatsApp platform where I also share information, different kinds of information that may not be in video format. It may just be a link to a website on what is going on, maybe a local competition, a local scholarship, or a grant, a bursary award. I share that on that WhatsApp group. So you can also click the link in the description box and join the WhatsApp group. We also have a Telegram channel. The link is also here. We also share useful information. So thank you very much for listening. I hope to see you in the part 3 of New Zealand, this sequel, this series, New Zealand series. I have one more video to do regarding this series, and it has to do with recruitment agencies in New Zealand, how to contact different recruitment agencies we have in New Zealand. So watch out, keep it a date. In the next 2 or 3 days, I'm going to be dropping that. Thank you very much for listening. Peace profound.